Hi subscribers and anyone else wandering in here. I have a little tutorial for y'all. It's real quick. This dries quickly. I do have some macrame tutorials coming. I have one in that is batched already. So I'm sorry if you're a big time macrameer and that's why you come to this channel. But try this out, especially if you're doing a wedding. So we have a paper lantern. You can get a pack of these anywhere. They're inexpensive. I got this at Walmart. There's a little piece that goes inside with these beautiful bouquet of flowers that I got at a local shop, women-owned local shop, Color Spell. You will need this tacky spray on adhesive. So what you're going to do first is you are going to spray onto the paper lantern. So that's what I'm going to do now. It's best if you kind of hold it up somehow. I'm trying to film, so let me put this down. So, spray some on, open it up a little. Maybe wear a mask with this, I don't know, or gloves, I don't. Guess I don't care about life that much. LOL, I'm kidding, a kid. Then you take some of your lavender. I'm just gonna, I have no plan to this design. And then it sticks. Okay, let's get some more little lavender. Yeah, lavender. It smells so good. I'm not going to use it all. I use some for my creations. I'll show you one of those right now. Someone's talking upstairs. It's ruining the vibe. Then spray a little more. You got to kind of pull far away and spray some more on. If you spray it too close, the seeds will come off. I mean, the lavender will come off. So, I don't know. I tried the spray tacky adhesive. You can also use Mod Podge instead. Also, when you start this out, go ahead and put this wire hanger in first because it'll leave it expanded open so you can get all your flowers on there easily. When you have the chunkier flowers, the chunkier dried flowers, like I have little lavenders, it gives a little seeding effect. But the chunkier flowers, you have to add obviously more spray, and you really have to make sure that they're sticking down before moving on, which is why you may want to use Mod Podge instead. There may be other tutorials like this out there. I don't know. This just came to me today. Maybe I saw it somewhere else. I don't think so, but it's a good use of dried flowers, and you can put them out on your deck in the summer or wherever you live in your house. I have one of these in my workroom right now. They'd be great for a wedding. That's what I imagine it for. Or for a lovely like anniversary party or birthday. Just people that like flowers would be a good little treat for them. I was gonna add macrame to the bottom, but I didn't get around to it. And you can just imagine putting a circular piece of fringe macrame along the bottom with hot glue because the spray adhesive will not adhere and allow for the macrame to be along the bottom. Hope you enjoy the rest of the video. This dries really quickly with this tacky spray, but be sure when you're spraying it that they're already sticking because otherwise they'll fall off like they did just now. Well, that piece is hanging off, but look how pretty it is. All right, let me fix that real quick and I'll be right back. I can drop this in there. Maybe I should have lit it second. All right. I'll put a candle inside, you all. So this is a good, cool wedding idea. Doesn't take long. Just use some tea light candles. I'll let you look inside, and you'll need those little terracotta. I don't know what they're called. The holders for the water for the plants. Little mini vases. They're very cheap, especially this time of year. Yep. Just thought of this today. Okay, on to the next project.